Welcome to the wonderful world of Arabic.
Marhaban.
That means hello. Arabic is one of the world's most widely spoken languages. It is the official language in many countries across the Arab world, from Egypt to the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Morocco, and many more. In Arabic, we call the language Al-Arabiya. Arabic may look different from English. Arabic is written from right to left. And don't worry, you don't need to know Arabic before starting. We will learn everything step by step. In this course, we will start from zero. First, you will learn the Arabic letters.
أهلاً.
Then you will learn how to read.
أنا أقرأ.
We will learn useful words and simple sentences.
And finally, you will start speaking Arabic. Let's start with your first Arabic word. Marhaban. Marhaban. Now, your turn. Marhaban. Excellent! You've just spoken your first Arabic word.